Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Anthem Member Dashboard, secure access guide step by step clearly. To log into the Anthem Member Dashboard, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.anthem.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign In button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the appropriate field. Next, enter your password in the designated password field. If you want to stay logged in for future visits, check the Remember Me box. Before proceeding, ensure that all entered information is accurate. Once verified, click on the Sign In button to access your dashboard. If you forget your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link beneath the login fields. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once logged in, you will have secure access to all member features and resources. If you encounter issues during the login process, check your internet connection. You may also try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then attempt to log in again. For further assistance, consider contacting Anthem's customer support for help. This completes the secure login process to your Anthem Member Dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.